Covering an area of 33,000 square kilometers, the Grand Tortue Ahmeyim gas field contains 1,400 billion cubic meters of reserves, giving it a production potential of 30 to 50 years. The project is targeting initial production of 2.5 million tons of liquefied natural gas per year, with plans to increase this to 5 million tons per year in 2027 and 10 million tons from 2030.
The
beginning of production in the Grand Tortue Ahmeyim gas field is a game changer for the country. Mauritania is also looking for a developer for another huge gas field, and both fields will provide enormous quantities of gas. Mauritania is relying heavily on this gas to increase the state fund revenues from direct sales, and the share of the state from the imposed taxes on this lucrative extractive activity will provide additional resources.
Mauritanian energy experts also believe that boosting natural gas supplies and lowering prices will help revive the African nation's economy.
Most of the challenges facing the development of the Mauritanian industrial sector will be solved with the expected boom in gas extraction. Gas availability at competitive prices will solve the energy problem, as most factories use gas. Mauritania is expected to experience a fast energy transition as it aims to achieve energy security.
Economic observers say that once Mauritania begins to exploit these gas reserves within 6 months, it will become Africa's third largest gas exporter after Nigeria and Algeria. Mauritania hopes the newly found resources would help increase GDP per capita and improve the living conditions for its 5 million people.
Mauritania is expected to report the highest growth rate in Africa by 2025 thanks to the revenues from the liquefied natural gas platform on the coastline. This energy project is shared between Mauritania, Senegal, and Guinea-Bissau. The economies of the 3 African countries will benefit from this discovery, but Mauritania and its population will be the top beneficiary.
This new gas deal will irreversibly change development prospects for Mauritania. Authorities say next year, gas will represent 11.5% of the Mauritania GDP, which has for decades been dominated by the mining industry, which accounts for 54% of its exports, and fishing, which accounts for 46%. Adnan Shawishi, CGTN.